Carbide drills. They are a great way to reduce your cycle time and improve your throughput. But what do you do when you're in a high mix jobbing shop environment? I mean, you could buy a lot of solid carbide drills. They are a great investment. But if you have a variety of sizes and a variety of materials, there's another option to invest in. That's from Dormer Pramet. I'm going to show you a quick video and go over some of your options that'll have you still getting those speeds and feeds from your solid carbide drills, but in an indexable option that allows you to tackle a variety of materials and a variety of sizes with one drill body. Let's check it out. Now, this drill, through coolant, as you can see, this coolant splashing everywhere, is definitely a high performance drill, and it has the replaceable heads. So if you check it out right here, high speed body, carbide tip, you can do steel, cast iron, and stainless steel, all with the same drill body, instead of buying a multiple of all of the different carbide drill sizes. Now you can see the cutting facts up over here. This is in 1045 or C45, around 180 Brinell with a 6 to 8% emulsion mix. Now you can go heavier as well. There won't be any detriment to your cutting. And then you can see on the bottom, now we're switching over to Austensic stainless steel, showing the appropriate speeds and feeds available there. Now the hole finish is something I can definitely attest to with these drills. I use them a lot in interrupted situations or angled entry situations where a standard drill may not hold up, but thanks to the rigid, robust body that goes with these indexable heads, you have more options. And there's the ductile cast. I really loved these in high abrasion situations because you can easily index the head for a lower cost and you don't have to worry about regrinding your solid drills all the time. Watching the chips fly. You might be wondering, okay, Arthur, what kind of size range can I really get? And I'm glad you're thinking that, because that's what we're going to go over now. I've got the PDF. I'll throw a link in the comments below this video. There's the R950 for steel, the R960 for stainless, and the R970 for cast iron. Cast iron is the newest one to the party. Stainless was the last edition before the cast iron, and they've had the steel for a while, and they continue to innovate on the geometries and the angle grinds as well as the coating to improve productivity. This will go over everything. They have 1.5 times D all the way up to 12 times D. Goes over a lot of the specs. The different diameters are broken down depending on the length to diameter ratio. Here's an example from the 3 times D. You can see here this orange line's the cutoff per body. That's also correlated with the EDP up here in this column where you see my cursor. You'll notice they have the same EDP for the body itself and then the size range. So 15/32 to 31/64, all with the same drill. You'll notice that you get a nice mix of the millimeter as well as the fractional sizes, again with the same drill body. You may notice that the offer behind me says that there's a special offer. If you're looking at a 3 times D or a 5 times D, there's a special offer running until the end of April. If you want to know more, give me a call and let me know how I can introduce you to the Hydra Drill. The whole goal here is to keep your spindles turning and earning. Thanks for checking out this video. I appreciate the time you spend coming to me to check out the newest information that I have to share. Until next time, keep your spindle turning and earning.